guys, I know I just uploaded a video, but look at him! Look at him! I just catched him looking at the door, because he can't go outside, he's an inside cat, but look at him! Look at him! So I thought, I'd give him a bit of a treat today. Pishkin, what do you say to a treat? Yes! Can I have food? It's not food. Okay, I'm going to put this down. Don't worry, okay? I'll pick you guys back up. Wait, where are we going, Mama? It's okay. We're just going to go on the other side. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. He's always wants to come outside. This might be the one chance he gets. You guys actually gave me the idea to let him have a little look out. So thank you all. Shia, Fishkin, look at the window. Look at the thing. Thank you all for supporting to let my mum take me outside for the first time. Yeah, he was actually sadly adopted. Just watch Fishkin while I tell the story. He was sadly adopted, so he never got to see outside. His mum died. Yeah. He actually had a sister, but someone took his sister. So he never saw outside until now. It's so warm and grassy. So what you're saying is you like it?